So I just had to post this. This just happened to me. I'm up here at South Fork Creek up above Idlewild. Okay, I lost my hiking stick a few miles back. So the outfitter store down in Idlewild, they were only selling two at some ridiculous amount of price. They weren't selling a one stick. So what I did is I swang by and I picked up a goddamn broomstick from the hardware store in Idlewild. Here's what's crazy. I hike up here, I'm filtering my water. How do I flip this thing? I'm filtering my water. On one of my last videos, I was actually making a video of me filtering my water. Down here, right here, and as I was taking my filter off the Sawyer bag, I dropped it in that pool. It's landed and it fell down and it went down. I got it back, thankfully, but I got it back down over there in that pool. Now when I went down to go get it, go down to get it, I saw what you would not believe I found in that pool of water down there was a stick. And look, carbon fiber tip. I hiked up here. Once again, I hike up at broomstick. I filter water, unscrew to bag it up, put it in my bag, drop it, falls down a few feet. I see it sitting down there bobbing around. And this, I put it up to 125 or 120, but it was down to 115s. Was just sitting there bobbing around. And is that some freaking hiker energy? That's awesome. I'm just sitting here in awe, like wow. Anyway, that's my story. It actually happened right in that video.